Well done, Dr. Paul, on your first eye examination. Your technique was generally good, but there are a few areas where you can improve.
Thank you, Dr. Mihira. I'm always looking for ways to improve my skills.
I noticed that you were a bit rushed during the visual acuity test. It's important to give the patient ample time to read the chart.
I'll be more patient in the future.
Also, when examining the fundus, try to dilate the pupil more fully to get a better view of the retina.
I'll keep that in mind. Is there anything else I could have done better?
You did a good job of explaining the procedures to the patient. However, you could have been more specific about the follow-up care instructions.
Thank you for the feedback, Dr. Mihira. I'll be more detailed in my explanations. Mihira, I understand how frustrating this must be, and it's completely normal to wonder how something like this could happen. Fungi, like the ones that cause infections in the feet, thrive in warm, moist environments. Our feet, especially when they're in closed-toe shoes for long periods, create the perfect setting for this. The inside of your shoes can become warm and damp from sweat, and if there isn't enough ventilation, it becomes a breeding ground for fungi to grow. This doesn't mean you've done anything wrong. It's actually quite common. Factors like wearing tight-fitting shoes, excessive sweating, or even sharing personal items like towels, socks, or shoes with someone who has a fungal infection can increase the chances of getting one. When you combine these conditions with the fact that fungi spread easily, it's understandable how this could have developed. From what I have mentioned, how does this information relate to your specific situation?